Oh, that's what I want, some moths. They got moths. Redmond's Candy Factory. Look. Do they got them moths? Oh, yeah, I bet they're so good. Oh, yeah, peanut butter mothballs. I want some of these. We're gonna try those right there. So this is what we getting, y'all. The peanut butter moths. And what was that? What is those? Chocolate rocks boulders. And they look like rocks too. And then we're gonna get some. I want some chocolate. I want some. Oh no. They may be good though. That looks so good. Oh. I want some of that right there. That chocolate. I want one of those. You want some of that? Cookies and cream. Look at that. That looks so good. I want some of that. Which one you like?
I like any peanut butter one.
Any peanut butter one?
Yeah,
Okay.
but the turtle cheesecake is a popular one. The salted caramel is popular.
Okay.
If you like carrot cake, I'm going to put carrot cake fudge tastes just like the carrot cake.
Okay.
As well as the red velvet.
That look good. I want to try a piece of that right there. The
The
chocolate caramel piece. Mm-hmm.
I want to try the turtle cheesecake.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get a cheesecake. One piece of cheesecake and then one of the chocolate caramel. That's good. We're gonna try to rock. We done gassed up, so we
Like a big M&M.
I can't bite that. Maybe this piece.
It's like a big M&M.
Okay. Look like a real rock. Look like cheesecake with the chocolate on top. Let's see what it tastes like. I like cheesecake. I'm trying the peanut butter malt balls. That's how they look, peanut butter malt balls. Again. I need water. Oh, that's my favorite one. Back on the road.
In that bitch, but God, I was going to Jack Frost, get I'm the number one stoner.